Navigating through tough times, understanding, fall on hard times. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across in movies, books, or everyday conversations: fall on hard times. Understanding this phrase can help you grasp the nuances of English expressions and enhance your language skills. So, let's unravel the layers of meaning behind this phrase together. The phrase, fall on hard times, refers to a period in someone's life where they experience significant difficulties, especially with financial stability. It suggests a sudden or unexpected downturn in one's circumstances, leading to struggle and hardship. When someone says they've fallen on hard times, they're often talking about a phase of economic or personal challenges that are hard to overcome. Understanding the origin of idiomatic expressions can provide deeper insights into their meanings and usage. The phrase, fall on hard times, has been in use for centuries, with its roots likely in the economic and social fluctuations people have faced throughout history. It evokes the imagery of falling, which metaphorically represents a decline or decrease in prosperity or well-being. To fully grasp the phrase's meaning, let's look at some examples. In personal contexts, after losing his job, he fell on hard times and had to sell his car. In literature or storytelling, the protagonist fell on hard times, wandering the streets in search of food and shelter. In historical references, during the Great Depression, many families fell on hard times. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, fitting into various narratives that discuss economic, personal, or societal difficulties. When using the phrase, fall on hard times, it's important to not confuse it with physical falling. It's metaphorical and pertains to life situations. Use it in appropriate contexts. It's best suited for serious discussions about hardship, not minor inconveniences. Remember, it often implies a temporary state. It's about challenging periods that people hope to overcome. Understanding phrases like, fall on hard times, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you express complex ideas more effectively. We hope this video sheds light on how to use and understand this phrase, making your journey in learning English a bit easier and more enjoyable. Remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to fall back on resources like our channel for guidance. See you in the next video.